Hello, I'm Claude, and I'm doing a video today about the triple tree watch winder in case a motor stops rotating, like the watch set stop rotating. When those things here, you realize suddenly it doesn't rotate. I want to show you what to do and to look at it, and this is the triple tree right here. All right, watch winder, and that's probably true with most watch winders that might not be working before you go out and buy a full motor and all of that. Maybe you want to, try to do a little troubleshooting, make sure it's not just a belt. In my case, and I've already repaired it, not repaired it, but did a kind of a fix. It was just a motor belt that was broken. All right, so I'm going to show you how to open the box and look at it and try to troubleshoot to see if that's what it is. All right, so let's do this. All right, so the first thing you're going to have to do is that the first thing you're going to do is not do stuff that I did. I'm going to show you what not to do. All right, these feet don't need to be removed. You don't take it out from the bottom. All right, you don't get access to the panel from the bottom, so don't bother doing that. And also, the control knobs over here also do not need to be removed. I removed them, brings no value. The only thing we're going to do, we're going to remove those things, those three things. There's 3 screws in there, and then we're going to lift it up. All right, so I'm going to do it, and I'm going to talk about the tools you're going to need to do the job, and then after that, we can go and straight forward. The little, there's the little inserts in here that we can remove. I remove it with a little prying tool, butter knife will do. All right, and most of the screws is just with a regular Phillips screwdriver. That's all you need, and basically a set of pliers, because we're gonna have to pull that. This is pressed in, so that's pretty solid, so we're gonna have to pull that out. There's a video from Triple Tree, I think, that shows that very well, so let's do this. All right, okay, so this is, I don't even need it. It's half pried off already. All right, so this is very gently remove that. There you go. 2 and 3. There's a screw in the middle. That's what needs to be taken off. In my case, the motor that needed fixing is partially fixed. I need to do a complete fix. We're going to remove the 3 screws here in the center. There's 1 screw in the center of each one. So let's do that with the Phillips screwdriver. It's right in the middle. All right, so let's see if I can change the angle a little bit. All right, so we're gonna take that, move the screw in the middle. All right, and this is how we move it. Just gently pry it off. All right, then there's a direction after that, so you need to make sure you put it in the right. When you re-put it, make sure it's in the right slot. All right. We're gonna need to remove there's like 3 of those. 2, there's a 3rd one. We're just gonna remove those. Put them on a plastic bag, so it's not gonna. There you go. All right, we're just gonna remove the 3 screws here. All right, now we're just gonna have to pry those off. So this is only entered by, and then it by pressure, and it's press fit, and then here it pivots kind of along there, but there's nothing holding it. It's just press fit. All right, let me see if I can just, okay, you can see already if I move this is the one that was broken, and if you be able to rotate with your hand, or if there's a play, there's no play in all of that. But this one I was able to rotate, but it was just falling, was just rotating, falling. The other ones are once these are installed and it doesn't move by itself because the belt and the motor does not allow it. This one was just free moving by hand. Okay, so let's try to pull that out. It's just pressure fit. All right. So this is what we're gonna do. A little bit of that. Oh, it's coming up. One by one, side by side. Okay, a little bit in the middle. Okay. Now, the minute you can pry your fingers in there, like I can now. Right, the minute you can pry a little bit with your hands, I just go and just pry it off on the axis from the bottom, right? Because all the cabling is under. There you go. The hell with it. Just remove the little cover box. Same things, Phillips screw. Don't even need to remove it. You can remove these three if you just need to change the whole motor. You decide that you need to change the whole motor. You unscrew it and put the new motor in and screw it back. So here I disconnected it. I didn't even need to disconnect it actually. I'm gonna reconnect it. It's not plugged, obviously it's not plugged in. And then let's do this. I'm gonna reconnect it. Let's reconnect it to the board. Nice. That's what it was here. All right. So like I said, the belt, when I opened it initially, the belt was just like here, crapped out, opened up. So this belt is, according to my calculation, it's 1.5 millimeter by 1.5. It's a square. Folded, basically everywhere you want to buy, it's kind of like this, it's folded. So folded length is about 56 millimeter. The inner circle is about 36 millimeter. All right, so that's what I got more or less in the specification. So it's a square belt. The elastic, I put an elastic, and it's not that good to be honest. I'm gonna put different elastic now. I'm gonna receive a belt. I got it from Amazon, and I will put it in the link below where it is. And it comes with an assortment of square belt of 1.5 millimeter, and it's it should have all the sizes just below and above what I need, so I should be able to have what I want. All right, so let's put just one and see if it works before I go too far. All right. Okay, let's just put 2 watches on it, see if it's gonna. By the way, for those that my subscribers, I'm not turning into a watch channel. I'm a repair kind of guy, solution and repair kind of guy. I'm doing a repair right now. That's one of my hobbies, watch collection and watchmaking and electronics and all that good stuff. So let's reconnect it and see if it works. All right, I think that's a light. It's working, but you can see that the belt had a hard time when it started because it's not the belt, it's an elastic. So yeah, it's gonna make the job for now, but when I get the belt, it's later today. I'm gonna get it probably. It says before 10 p.m., so I'm not gonna make a video at 10 p.m. So I'm just gonna replace this same thing, replace the band, and call it a day. All right. So yeah, proof is in the pudding. It does work. All right. So before going out and changing the whole thing and spending another $200-300 and if not more on that, try to repair it. You're already in there, and it's an easy repair. And at the end, the kit that I bought, and I will link it below with the belt. It's a kit of like $10 Canadian, more or less. $8 US, $7 US. So it's get the belts, try it, and see if it works. All right. Thank you for watching. Hope that it helps somebody. So thanks for watching. See you at the next time. Bye bye.